Hey, what's up guys? Bob here for BP Fishing. It's the sun is up, the sun is shining, the fog has lifted off the water, and we're about to do some fishing. I got my buddy Jerry with me. He's over that way. We're staying 6 feet apart, you know, social distancing and everything, but excited to be out. It's actually going to be a nice day, and hoping to find some largemouth, smallmouth, whatever we can get our hands on. A little bit of river fishing, always a fun thing to do. Waters are not going too fast, a little muddy, a little dirty, but we're ready to go. Starting off the morning with the crawl pattern. See what happens with it. There we go. Slow rolling it on the bottom. Calm down, buddy. Oh. That's a chunker, dude. Jer. Look at that. He's a fat chunker.
Where you catch it, in or out?
In.
In close? Yeah, they're covered this, dude. That's good.
There it is, dude. Nice looking largemouth. First fish of 2020. It's exciting. Look at this. He is not opening his mouth at all.
It's cold.
Like he's got lockjaw.
That's good, dude. That's a good thing.
Yeah, you got to take it slow, dude.
Yeah, no.
First fish of 2020. I don't know where you get your baits from, but
I gotta get my
that's another chunker, dude.
I know, dude.
It's a nice one. Caught on a BPF lure.
Nice.
There you go. That's big, dude. Pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. Nice. They like that pattern. He's got another one down there off that craw again. So these fish are really sitting pretty much towards the shore we found. They're not out in the middle. We'll cast out in the middle and then draw it back in real slow as we can. These lures in particular, they're 3 to 5 feet, but they will float if you stop reeling them. So you kind of got to just keep that the slowest pace possible. And once you get back to shore, that's when they, you know, closer to shore, that's when they're actually biting. So in the very short time we've been out here, he's got 2, I've got 1, and they've both been off of the craw pattern that I painted. So kind of makes you feel good, you know, knowing that something you created, something you painted, is catching fish. And this guy decides to get one of my lures. Well, I mean, he purchased it from me, so it's his lure, but hung up in the tree. We're just gonna watch him for a minute, see if he takes a swim. I mean, he's basically stepping on the water now, so he's trying. He's almost got it. I think he's got like 800-pound braid line on there or something crazy. It's gonna snap and the lure's gonna go flying, and a big pike's gonna come up and just chomp it down. Chop down the tree, man. It's not that deep. So close. Climb that tree and just snap that branch off.
Yeah, and fall in the water and go swimming.
You guys would love to see it, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I bet they would.
All right, to be continued. All right, I'm back in my little room over here, my airbrushing studio, all this stuff, and it's been a couple days since I recorded that video. It was so nice to be out. It was so nice to be fishing. I actually stayed inside for about 2 weeks, but with everything going on, you know, I kind of made as much of a commitment to stay in as possible, as much as possible. I finally got to the point where I'm like, I've got to get out. I've got to get out of the house and go do some fishing. So I did that, and I hope to do it again this week. Take a day or two, maybe Friday evening after work, and then Saturday morning or Sunday, one of the two, and actually get out of the house and go fishing. I will still do my social distancing because I don't need anyone around me when I fish. But you can see I've got a bunch of stuff hanging up here, some projects I'm working on, some little things that are in the works, some really little things that are in the works. And I've got some bigger stuff in the works too. I've got to finish up this swim bait. I've got some darker colors and things I've got to put on it, but this is one of the projects in the works right now. I've got some craws I've been working on. These are 1.5s. These are actually in a matte finish instead of a heavy gloss like some of my other ones. So got a lot of stuff going on. It's been a fun few weeks, and it's not too bad being locked up when you've got something else to do. My desk is a mess. I've got all kinds of stuff up here, all different color paints, tons of stuff I'm working on, but that's all part of the process. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you jumping on and giving me a few minutes of your time, and I hope to post another video soon, and I'll talk to you soon.